Hi, my dear parents and my dear students. Today I came up with the subject of Hindi Aksharmala. I think every parent is wondering on how to make the children to write Aksharmala of Hindi, because as of now every parent is only the teacher to the children in the house, right? So I came up with the easiest method to explain the parents on how to make the children to write Aksharmala. So no need to worry. Let's start how to write Aksharmala on the basis of left hand side, right hand side, top hand side and bottom hand side. Basis on these sides of the arrows, we will be making how to write Hindi Aksharmala. So let's start with the Akshar A. How to write this? So let's start. Begin with half circle. Okay. Take half circle, just saying it as curve facing towards left hand side. One curve and attaching to that another curve also. In between take a small sleeping line and joining that take a standing line and give a small sleeping line at the top. The sleeping line at the top is very common to every akshar. Please remember that. Once again, I'll tell you how to write A. Take one curve and join with another curve. In between, take one sleeping line and join with standing line. And at the top, sleeping line is common. Okay. Same as like first A only, I will be telling the second A. Here the easiest method is, first of all, make the children to write 3. First of all, 3. Then in between there will be a sleeping line. Okay, for 3 there will be a sleeping line. So from there, join with another sleeping line and join that sleeping line with a standing line and top one sleeping line. That's how we will be making Akshar A. Akshar A. A can be easily made with number 3 and one sleeping line and one standing line, and finally the sleeping line is common. A say anar. And next coming to A. A, same as A, but we will be adding here another standing line. Okay, along with the standing line there will be having separately another standing line. That's it. Okay, I think I no need to explain the whole akshar now, because same as it is A only, here also same A, but we will be joining second standing line. A say arm. A say arm. And next going to E. E will be making what? One sleeping line, one standing line. S. Make the children to learn S. S and giving a small tail at the bottom of the S. That's it. E can be formed. Okay. The sleeping line which we are giving to the every akshar is common. This E akshar is starting with the standing line and make S, and at the bottom give a small tail. That's it. This is E. E say imarti. E say imarti. Okay, and next coming to E. Second E, and this is also same as E only, but at the top we are giving one tail, same as like down, how we are giving down the tail, same as like that we are giving another tail at the top. This will becomes as E. Okay, first E, second E, the difference is only the tail at the top of the sleeping line. Okay, very simpler. If you understand this, it is very simpler to make them learn also. To make the children learn is very easy. E, say Eid. Okay, next coming to U. And the U will be formed with only the number 3 joining with the sleeping line. This is U. U. Okay. How to write this means? No need to worry. Only one sleeping line and joining with the sleeping line give a number 3. That's it. U. This is U. Okay, this is very easy. U. U say Ullu. U say Ullu. And next going to U. And the U also written same as like U only. But here in between the U matra, we will be giving a curve facing to the downwards. Okay, facing to the downwards, we just giving a curve where in between that 3, number 3, we will be getting in between a dark line. From there we will be giving a downwards curve. That's it. It will be forming as oo. Oo. Oo say oon. Oo say oon. Okay, next going to ru. Ru. Okay, and how the ru will be forming, like taking sleeping line and giving V, letter V. Okay, I think children also will be knowing V, letter V facing to the left hand side. Okay, actually V will be facing towards top hand side, but here we will be facing the V to the left hand side and giving a design tail to the right hand side. Okay, ru for rushi. Ru say rushi. And next going to a. How we are making a? One standing line and joining to that one curve, and next to that one standing line. Okay, very easy. And at the top sleeping line is common. One standing line and one curve attaching to the standing line, and next one standing line, and joining that top sleeping line. A say a D. A say ekthara. And next going to a. Okay, and this A is same as A only, but we will be giving a slanting line, top slanting line. Okay, we can be calling it as a tail also, or else either we can call it as a slanting line also. For the standing line, we are giving a slanting line. Okay, it will comes as second A. Okay, first A, second A. Say anak. Next going to O. Okay, O. Take A Akshar. We know A. Okay, and next we know A also. Okay, next here we are taking second A only. A, and give the slanting line to the second standing line. Okay, so that it will be spelled as O. Okay, O. Okay, no need to worry, it's very easy. Forming giving A for the second standing line, we're giving just a top slanting line. Okay, so that it will be called as O. O, say Oakley. Okay, and now going to ow. Okay, ow. Ow, how it will be written? Same as a, but giving two slanting lines, two top slanting lines. That's it. Same as O only, but here attaching one more slanting line to the already placed slanting line. That's it. The difference between O and ow is this one only. You can clearly observe here. No need to worry on explaining to the children also. Okay. O, ow. How it will be formed ow, like, because we will be giving two slanting lines so that the sound will come ow. Okay. And next going to ow. Ow, say aurat. And next how the will be formed? Same as a, and the top will be dot. That will be and finally aha. Means there will be given two dots, one top, one down. Okay, so no need to worry. You parents, please focus on explaining the children very briefly. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can comment me down. Bye bye.